Hi, I'm Emily with LAURASTAR. Steam is a longarmer's best friend. Whether you quilt for yourself or have a longarm business, there is no doubt that LAURASTAR is a time saver when it comes to loading your quilt on the frame. Let me show you how with the LAURASTAR Lift. I use my LAURASTAR Lift when I load my quilt backing on my frame because I don't have to worry about taking my yardage to an ironing board first. I can use that really powerful steam to remove the wrinkles on my backing even after it's loaded on my frame. This saves me a lot of time. It is a really powerful steam, and it's a dry microfine steam. It's twice heated. It's more like a gas than a steam, so I don't have to worry about using this around my equipment, but I do want to make sure that my equipment is pushed off to the side, and I don't recommend ever steaming directly on my machine. All right. And in just a few minutes, my quilt backing is wrinkle-free and I'm ready to continue loading my quilt. Packaged quilt batting is notorious for having lots of wrinkles, but I can remove these really quickly with my dry microfine steam with LAURASTAR as well. Let me show you how. Draping the quilt batting across the frame is a whole lot easier than struggling with an ironing board to remove the wrinkles from my batting. My LAURASTAR Lift makes this really easy. And just like that, I'm ready to quilt. I hope you enjoyed watching this magic happen with LAURASTAR's dry microfine steam. While the powerful dry microfine steam can be found throughout our product lineup, the portability of the LAURASTAR Lift is essential. This was fast and easy as we advanced the backing. Most longarm frames are 8 to 14 feet, so I wouldn't want to try this with my system. The steam cart makes this even more convenient, along with that 7-foot cord that can reach every part of my frame. But remember, the lift can be used with any ironing board as well. It's handy for retreats and travel, and allows you to move from your laundry room to your sewing room. We can load a frame as well as sanitize our home with the LAURASTAR Lift.